Hey, how's it going, fellow guitar slingers? Dave here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some easy but killer sounding rock licks, all of which you just heard in the intro, that you can take away and hopefully start implementing into your own playing. So I made a point of making sure that all these licks contain what I believe to be the most essential aspects of rock lead guitar. So hopefully, if you're completely new to rock lead playing, this video will give you, the basic foundational tools that you need to build upon as you progress further. Now, the point of these videos aren't necessarily to just feed you a bunch of licks that you can play exactly as they are. Although you can totally do that, there's nothing wrong with that at all. That's not what I'm saying. But I do encourage you to kind of think of them as templates to build your own licks. Because, one single lick might inspire 10 new licks. And that's the beauty of this. And that's what's ultimately going to help you develop your own musical vocabulary and develop your own sound on the instrument. Anyway, so all of the licks are based around a straight up rock and roll progression in the key of A. So we're going to be using a mixture of the A minor pentatonic scale and the A major pentatonic scale. Now, if you're not familiar with either of those scales, don't worry, I've got a free video training series which goes in depth into both of those, as well as the basic fundamentals of music theory for guitar players. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Okay, so now that's out of the way, let's jump straight in. I'll put the tabs on the screen for each lick so you can follow along. And if you'd like to access the entire lesson in written form, you can do so through my website, which I'll also link down below. And through that link, you can also get access to a free download of the backing track so you can practice these licks at home in context. Alright, so that's all the licks. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to support the channel, please subscribe. I really do appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.